Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Fantasy to do a stateroom tour of a deluxe family ocean view stateroom with veranda. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a nice amount of space for everyone in the room.
Now this particular room is a category 4A, has a great location on deck 9, right near the stairs and the elevators.
Let's go check it out.
As we first come in here, we've got a couple closets over here on the right. The one right here is the larger of the two. You've got a closet rod with some hangers. You also have those life jackets up there, and you have a safe down a little bit lower. There is a laundry bag in here as well. If you'd like to send out your laundry, that is a service that Disney Cruise Line does offer on the ship. And then the other closet over here is a little bit smaller. You've got another closet rod here with some storage space. You also have the ladder. That is for the upper berth pull-down bed if you are utilizing that. And of course, the stateroom host will help you out with that. We've got a connecting door over here for the stateroom next door, and then behind me we have the bathrooms, and there are two bathrooms here because of the category of the stateroom. We've got the one half of the bathroom that has the vanity in here with some liquid hand soap there, the H2O product. You've got a couple small shelves over in the corner, and you have the shelf down below for storage as well as the trash can, and of course your toilet is in here. And then the next bathroom, the other half, is where you'll find your shower and tub. But this stateroom has the smaller round tub versus the larger traditional tub that some of the staterooms have. You've got the detachable shower head in here, but you also have the rainfall style shower head, which is really nice. And you have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. On the curtain of the shower, you actually have some little hidden Mickeys. If we move the curtain a little bit, you can see them. It's a great little touch. And then we have a vanity in here, just a single vanity. A little bit of counter space. You've got some storage down below, and you also have that body lotion right there and a bar of soap down on the counter. There's a few shelves in here for storage as well, and then we have a full-length mirror on the door of that bathroom. Coming into the room, we have a queen-size bed as our main bed, and that is raised up so you have storage underneath for all of your luggage. We've got a bed runner here that has some nautical elements on it. Got an anchor. We have a little silhouette of Mickey as well, and of course the Disney Cruise Line logo. And then we have on each side of the bed a lamp, and the lamp has little Mickey heads cut out of it all around the bottom, as well as the Disney parks around the world and Disney cruise ships around the world represented, which is great. There's a clock on this side of the bed that is set to cruise time, and they do update that if you pass through any time changes or anything. And there are a couple USBs on that clock as well. And there is a charging port right below. You can plug in any type of device you need to. So you get a little bit of power on this side of the bed. On the other side of the bed, however, there are no outlets, just a phone. Of course, you do have the lamp, but just the phone there, so there's nowhere to plug anything up on this side of the bed. That curtain right there does divide the room in half, and it does a really nice job, especially if you have several people staying here in the room. It's a great way to kind of split the room up a little bit. Over here on the wall, we have a picture of the 4 Disney Cruise Line ships, along with the 5th, Steamboat Willie, the original Disney cruise ship. So that's a fun little nod to the past there. I guess they're going to have to update that soon with the new Disney cruise ships. Over on the other half of the room, we have a couch that pulls down into a twin-size bed. We also have an upper berth that pulls down out of the ceiling. The stateroom host, of course, takes care of that if you need it, and that is also a twin-size bed. Up on the wall, we have some artwork that is just different nautical elements. We've got Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy, all made from rope, which is pretty cool. And in the other half of the room, you can see we have a very, very large countertop in here with lots of storage space above and below. You've got our little TV here that does pivot out on an arm to face the bed or face the couch, whichever you'd like. There's a mini fridge right down here, and there is no freezer section in there, but it is a good size mini fridge. And then we have our little makeup chair, and above that we have some outlets you can plug in whatever devices you'd like. You also have the 220 outlets that are specifically for the hair dryers that are provided here in the room, and they're actually in the drawers right below here. But you'll see there's also USB outlets right above the hair dryer outlets, so you have those if you need them. On each side of the mirror we have some lights that have little Mickey heads cut out of them, just like the ones on the side of the bed. And then we have some glasses for water over there in the little cubby. And then there's a chair over here on the other side of the couch. A lot of space in this room, which is really nice. And then we have our veranda. So we'll walk out there and check out the veranda real quick. You can see we have a small table and a couple chairs out here. A decent amount of space. It's a great veranda. You can see out when you're sitting down because they have the clear plexiglass right here. You can just look right through when you're out on the ocean. A beautiful veranda to stand or sit out on, especially for a morning cup of coffee or a drink in the evening. Absolutely beautiful out here when you're at sea or when you're in port on one of the islands. They also have these dividers on the veranda. They can open up if you are using a connecting stateroom. You have a party that's larger than your room. You do just have to request that from your stateroom host and they'll take care of that for you. And that is going to conclude our tour of this Category 4A Deluxe Family Ocean View Stateroom with Veranda.
We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And if you head over to the channel, you'll find lots of other stateroom tours on Disney Cruise Line and room tours around Walt Disney World and other Disney resorts around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.